अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 150 पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस और वी कैन से affirmative sentences. She cooked for you. I lost my wallet last week. The dogs belong to them. Everyone loves her. You need to go take yours. He will take it himself. You are an engineer. She will take what is hers. My father fixed the car himself. I can run faster than him. The man was being a positive embarrassment. You should go take it from him. He is my best friend. Someone knows where she is. He was in a positive furry. I love dogs. They live near here. Something positive has come out of it at last. We can go on vacation with you. I am as positive as I can be about it. You were the boss. The dog can walk itself. His whole family knows he loves you. She knows she has to study for exams. He learned to read by himself. The soldiers killed him. She is a mechanical engineer. I will get myself a coffee. Today we will come. He loves to play basketball. You know I love you so much. You should take care of yourself. I learned English by myself. तो दोस्तों, ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।